Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. It's New Year's Day cooking, and we are outside. Let me start by first welcoming you to my channel. It's 2024, and I wish for you God's continuous blessings. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification, comment, guys, like the video, and share with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. No family and friends, I'm the last speaking always get trouble, yeah? My baby brother decided that he wanted beef to be on the menu for New Year's dinner. So, of course, yes, sister gotta come through and whip up a little magic. All right, so I'm gonna slice the beef thinly, guys. I wash, clean it, guys, allow it to drain, and then I season it, add my special rub to it, guys, and allow it to marinate for about 2 hours. Now, because this was all impromptu, guys, you know, so we have to turn it on and make fashion. So, of course, guys, I am using my paper towel rack, guys, and I stack my beef nicely, guys. Then I wrapped it completely with foil and secure this in place. My middle brother and his son was responsible for starting up the grill, and just so you know, him is no Capleton, and so you see I'm hard at work trying to get the fire started. Now, if you're enjoying my video so far, I invite you to hit the like button. Leave in the comment section, tell me if you have ever prepared this, and if you have had it before, what did you have it with? I invite you to hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so. Thank you so much, guys. You see it, I'm gonna lay it on the side, guys, in the grill, guys, and then cover it down. Now, guys, the entire process lasts for about 3 hours. It is a timely process because I did not use high heat in the grill, guys. I use about medium heat, and because the sauce and the juices from the beef continue to drip on the coal, that just give it that seasoned right, nice, flavorful taste in the beef, guys. Now, guys, just look at this. Look at all of this steam. This still is no joke thing we are going with, guys. Now, while the grill was going on, guys, I made a sauce. I used soy sauce. I used some garlic powder. I used some tomato ketchup, guys. Some Pepsi, yeah. Some Pepsi to add extra flavor to this. And, of course, some ginger beer. I add some scotch bonnet pepper to this, guys. Allow the sauce to simmer and reduce, guys, and thicken, and then I just coat my beef with all of this goodness. Now, guys, I'm me for tell you, when I say smell good, taste good, can done, soft, succulent, juicy, can done. Yeah, this was the experience. No, guys, this was a hit at the New Year's dinner. Everybody enjoyed down to the last bite, guys. It was soft, succulent, juicy, full of flavor, and such a rewarding experience to share this with my friends and family. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I invite you to subscribe, like my video, leave your comment, guys, and I will see you next week where I have for you another interesting video. See you next week, guys.